All right, guys, let's go get some breakfast. I got the carbon fiber on. That sounds good. That sounds good. I got the carbon fiber on, guys. So let's see how it turned out. Hey, what's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and guys, I stayed up all night again. I did a couple workouts. I, did some work around the house, and then I added some carbon fiber to my interior, guys. So basically, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take you back to a few hours ago last night, and then just show you the quick little install process to this carbon fiber a piece I added to the car. It looks really nice. I'm looking at it right now. It looks really good. Anyways, guys, before we do that, yes, for those of you that do follow my channel, my car still is broken. It is a steering issue. I already took it to the shop. They quoted me a price. They ordered the parts I needed, and it's very expensive, guys. Very expensive. I'll get into it on the next video. I'll go over, exactly what's wrong with the car, how much it's gonna be. It's actually the second time this has happened to this car, guys. So it really pissed me off, caught me off guard. Definitely a pricey freaking fix. This car is starting to become a money pit. But anyways, guys, let me take you back to yesterday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my videos, guys. Please smash that like button, okay? If you like what you see so far. Let me take you back to yesterday, guys. I'm tired. Let's go. Earlier that morning. What's going on, YouTube? It is 2:30 in the morning right now, guys. But this channel's called SRT Dad, and guys, sometimes, when I do stuff, I do it at this time just because, everybody's asleep. Nobody needs me to be a dad at 2:30 in the morning. All right, guys, so today, the carbon fiber piece I'm going to add for the interior is going to be for this double din dash right here. So if you guys remember, my old one, I had an older one. It's in the garage right now. I had painted it black, and then these AC vents started coming off, and I tried gluing them back on, and I accidentally glued the sides too, and it wouldn't go up or down. So I just bought a whole new one on eBay. It cost me freaking 130 bucks, guys. It was 100 bucks plus shipping and all that crap. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take this off. You don't have to take it off to apply what I'm gonna apply. But I'm just going to do it just so, I could go in the garage and it could be well lit and you guys can see better. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. If you guys are wondering, so I popped this out. There's like little pins here. It just pops out. It's just a big piece of plastic, guys. So there's a couple cords you need to pull out here. There's for the AC controls, and then for the ESP button and the hazard lights there. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug those, and then I'm going to take it to the garage. All right, guys, so I got my my double din dash here, and then here I have what I'm gonna put on. So they're pretty much they're just carbon fiber just stick-ons, guys. Sorry for that noise. It's my water cooler. It's still 100+ degrees here in Arizona, guys. Even at 2:30 in the morning. I just got done working out a little earlier. Did some shoulder and legs. Took me a couple hours actually, so. That's what I do, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and check out how it looks. All right, guys, so I opened it up and it actually looks really nice, guys. It's really nice quality. It's pretty thick. It's a 3M tape on the back, it looks like, so I'm just gonna peel it off and put it on. It's a 3-piece set. So I got this top that's gonna go on here. Oops. I got this top that's gonna go on here. And then there's a piece to put on the AC vents, and there's a piece to put on here. I'm not sure if I want to put the piece that goes on here yet, but I think I am. We'll see. So what I'm gonna do first is put these inner pieces in first, and then add the overlay on top. But before that, guys, I'm gonna just get an alcohol wipe and wipe it down and dry it with one of my microfiber towels. That way, it's the surface is pretty prepped to that way it can stick on, right? So let me go ahead and let me add those inner pieces, and then we'll add the top on, guys. Alright guys, I still haven't prepped the surface. I'm kind of debating, like, do I want to put this or without it? Let's see. With it? Let's see. Or without it? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Alright guys, so I did end up putting it on. It looks awesome. It sticks on really good. So basically guys, you just peel off the back there, you take it all off and you put it on wherever it goes. So this one's gonna go in the vents. And you know, you kind of have to eyeball it. It's not that hard, guys. Just do it nice and slow. And it's really easy to put on. Once it's on, it sticks on really good. Alright, guys, so I have it on. It looks really good. You can see like the AC vents just show a little bit, but that's how it's supposed to be. Overall, really nice. I actually tried wrapping this a while back and it was a big fail. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the car, guys, and then tomorrow morning we'll go outside and look how it looks in the day. Alright guys, so I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.
A couple hours later.
Alright guys, let's go get some breakfast. I got the carbon fiber on. Ooh, that sounds good, I got the carbon fiber on, guys, so let's see how it turned out. Ooh, that looks good, guys. Looks good. That music down. So I got my phone here. I might zoom out a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't have my GoPro, it's not charged right now, but looks really good, guys. Alright, so here I am sitting in the back seat. Looks really good, guys. It's nice and has a nice glossy look to it. Really goes well with the steering wheel carbon fiber I have on there, and then the carbon fiber accents that already come on the car stock. Looks really nice, guys. Really, really nice. Gives a car a nice pop to it. Anyways, guys, here's the not the steering wheel, the carbon fiber there, guys. It looks really nice, like I said. I think it blends in really well with the other mods I have inside the car. Here's kind of the driver's point of view here of what we're looking at. Looks really good. Ah, shit. I don't want to get pulled over, guys. Too early to get pulled over. Too early in the morning. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, like I said, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I got plenty of stuff coming on the car, guys. I just got to get it fixed first because the steering, it's really tough. Especially at a dead stop. Anyways, guys, that's going to be all for today. I'm SRT Dad. I'm out, guys. Woo!